Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make creatine powder. Creatine is a fascinating compound, naturally found in our bodies, but also widely produced for dietary supplements. The industrial method relies on a precise chemical synthesis involving several carefully orchestrated steps. This ensures a high-quality product for consumers. The journey to creatine powder begins with two essential ingredients, sarcosine and cyanamide. Sarcosine, also known as N-methylglycine, acts as the backbone structure. Cyanamide, a white solid, contributes a vital guanidino group to the molecule. These raw materials must meet strict pharmaceutical-grade standards to ensure the final product's purity and effectiveness. Once the raw materials are ready, sarcosine and cyanamide are combined in a large, controlled reaction vessel. This chemical reaction often takes place in an aqueous solution, sometimes with specific catalysts. The temperature is carefully maintained, usually between 60 and 80 degrees Celsius, and the pH is precisely controlled, often around 10, to optimize creatine formation. After the initial synthesis, the resulting crude creatine needs purification. This crucial step involves filtration and washing to remove impurities and unreacted materials. Then, crystallization occurs, where the creatine forms uniform, high-quality crystals. Finally, these crystals are vacuum-dried to remove moisture and then milled into a very fine powder, ready for packaging and use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.